Howdy folks, this is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company here in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2001 Harley Davidson CVO Switchblade. And if you'd like to know more about it, such as pricing, or if you'd like to view the VinSmart VIN report, which is very similar to a Carfax, you can click on the link below in the description and it'll take you directly to our website. It's got the scarlet red paint on it, 88-inch carbureted twin cam with a 5-speed transmission with the Vance & Hines exhaust on it. Pegs for the rider and the passenger. You got the heel stirrups there for the rider. You got matching accessories. Got the chrome levers, factory security, the chrome master cylinder cap, chrome switch housings. It's a brand new front tire that we put on it. The chrome forks on it. It's got a quick detached passenger backrest along with a luggage rack mounted there on the rear fender. Got that really cool looking eagle claw kickstand on it. Good tread on the rear tire. The bike's got very low miles for the year. It's kind of hard to see. It's at 6,800 miles on it. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and give us a call. Or you can always click on that link below in the description. It'll take you directly to our website where you can also view the rest of our inventory. We do have a full parts and service department. We offer finance and warranty options. We accept almost anything in on trade, and we ship and sell bikes worldwide. This is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.